Today I'm going to go over Glassdoor, which is a great site to look for jobs and also do your research on companies and comparable salaries. I just went to glassdoor.com and I was able to create my username and password. I didn't really think that was needed for the video. This is the screen that comes up once you create that. And then this is kind of where I'm at. So if you're looking for a job and you're already employed, not employed, or a student, majority of you that I'm talking to are not employed at the moment. So I'm going to put not employed. And most people talking to are looking for medical assistance. So it just really depends on you and what you're looking for. So I'm just using this as an example. I'm not employed medical assistant living in Stockton. I'm going to select send me updates when new jobs are available because job alerts are very important when you are doing your job search. A lot of times you really want to apply for jobs within the first 3 days that they're posted. So it is good to just get emails directly to you so you can apply. And then I'm going to use my name just so then they know who I am. My industry is healthcare, specialization, medical assistant. And so here I'm just jumping in. You can explore the community or you can hit done. I'm just going to hit done. So when you're jumping in, they'll add you into these what they're called bowls. And they're just kind of ways to discuss and find, what places are hiring. Here a director is posting when they're expanding their team. I like to just go straight up to the jobs and just dive right in. So here, Sutter has some jobs, Dignity. So there are a lot of job postings here that actually would be within your area. You can also, do your own specific search that is, specific to you. I like the creating a job alert for whatever you have for your specific search. And then it will also tell you your activity, the jobs you're looking for, the jobs you're applying for. You can also do your research on companies and know what their compensation and benefits and what's important to you. And so, you can always look up, the job that you are, the company you are interviewing with to make sure that it aligns with what you're looking for. So this is just another tool to look for jobs other than just what we typically think of looking on Indeed and ZipRecruiter. This is just another one. We're finding a lot more healthcare jobs that are being posted on here.